Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're working on the cruiser. Last weekend I had a problem with my air locker. I've got about 5,000 miles on the build since I've put it together, and this is the first problem that we've had. And I've got good air to the diff and what sounds like an air leak inside of the differential cover. So we're going to take that cover off today and see what's going on.
Air pressure to the differential checks out okay. Next, I'm going to apply some air pressure to the line going inside the differential. And that's definitely where the problem is.
I've pulled the airline out from inside the differential housing so you can see it a little bit better. And you can see right there is where the airline broke. And you can see up here where the differential ring gear caught the airline and pulled it in. I won't be able to fix this today because I'll need most likely a 3.5 millimeter coupling to splice these back together. It looks like down in here that the airline's intact, but the next thing I'm going to do before I order any parts is I'm going to cut this with a line cutter so that it is square, and I'm going to apply some air into here.
Differential locks with no air leaks, so I'm going to go ahead and purchase the line repair kit. That is the sound of success. All right, here's what it looks like. I tucked it up in there. I think it'll work out just fine. We'll go give it a test drive. Thanks for watching.